Okay guys, here I'm gonna show you the result of my passion and my care. Here is my giant Oscar is alive after how many days? After 2 days. I kept it separate from the tank of this turtle. This is so big. When I bought this turtle, it was only 3 inch. Now it has become 8 inch. So now my Oscar is alive. It's moving and it's walking. So how do I make this possible? By putting this separate in a bowl, in a pot with warm water continuously 2 days with the air. So now it is good, and it is but still it is not eating food, but however it's working. See, it's very giant. So thanks for that video. One of video on YouTube I saw that one guy had given the instruction of saving Oscar by writing only. There was no any picture in that video. So I want to thank that video for helping me, so I could protect my expensive Oscar doing the same method. Thank you very much for watching.